I'm going to show you a different type of finish that you can put on the Alaskan sourdough. This particular batch, I used a little bit of rye flour in it, so you can see the little bit of speckles. But anyway, this is a different type of finish that you can use for any of your breads that you'd like. I made up a batch of a very thin cornstarch glaze, and I'm going to be putting that on top. But first off, I'm going to punch it down like we do for the Alaska. Then I'll brush on my glaze. Now we'll do the 4 slashes. Bit of sticky dough. I'll put that in the oven and you can see what the glaze looks like. Here's a picture of the loaf with the glaze on it. Got really nice bubbles or blisters.